All right, guys. First C notes. You're gonna love them. I'm just kidding. So focused. Let me get those words out. You'll notice the videos are gonna get crazy. Like I've already had cross country today. I'm exhausted. Soccer. I mean, it's just one of those. I'm working, putting in the work. But focus note taking gonna be a really important skill set. First C notes. So you'll notice I always have a title. So if you're having trouble with stuff, I'm like, go to your Angle Edition notes. You'll notice that the notes will have a title. The EQ is like, what am I supposed to take away? What am I supposed to learn? If you don't know how to answer the EQ, you probably didn't get what you're supposed to get. So just remember that. So you're going to be able to solve for parts or whole of an angle. So that's what we're going to do. You'll notice that says Angle Addition. So that means we're going to add. So you'll notice that on the left side here, where the column there will have questions, reminders, vocab. These are they're really important for your past or just reminders. Otherwise, there may be something that's a key new vocab. So we won't always talk about them, but just always go back and kind of reference them. So just remember that. So let's do it. So here's an example here. So one, you'll notice as find M. M means measure. So that's a good little, get that out of the way, is like, what does M mean? So M means measure. So find the measure of angle KLM if measure of KLB is 26 degrees and measure of angle BLM is 60. First thing you do is you always label up what you know, what they give you. So first review, what is L? And you notice that L is in the middle of every single angle. So L represents the vertex. Really important there. Vertex, vertex, vertex. Got to know where it's at. So KLM, so that would be the entire, so we have KLM. So that's 26 degrees. And then you have, I totally messed up there. It says find the measure of KLM. Guys, that is my B. Got to pay attention. So it wants us to find that. So that would be the entire. So this would be our X. And then KLB is 26 degrees. And then BLM is 60. So you'll notice that once you label up the picture, all we're doing is angle addition. The formula is going to be part plus part is whole. So you'll notice there that the formula is P plus P equals W. So part plus part equals whole. We can label it up. So that would be P, P, W. So now we have 60 plus 26. Oof. It's really hard, guys, to write with your finger on this computer, but I'll get better. So that's 86. So the measure of angle KLM is 86 degrees. Pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. So here's one that you would see more like on a TQ. So this would be more of what you'll see. So we have find the measure. So that's M of angle HGF. You'll notice that this is a good example of an expression. So that's an expression from Algebra 1. So let's label up. So this is going to be a part of the angle, and this is the whole angle. So if part plus part is whole. So we have HGF. HGF is the whole, and so that's 16x plus 4. EGF is 110. And then HGE is 3x plus 11. So now we can do step 1. Use the formula part plus part is equal to whole. We have everything labeled up. So the first part is 110 plus 3x plus 11 equals the whole, which is 16x plus 4. So the first thing we do is combine like terms. So we have 110 and 111, so that's 121. You always move the smaller variable term first. So that's, if you jump the equal sign, you always do the opposite. It's the opposite, so that's minus 3x, and that's 13x. So those are our variable terms that we did combine. Now we have the numeric terms, jump the equal sign here. Minus 4, minus 4. So 117 equals 13x. So remember, if you think of algebra 1, you're trying to always find out the variable, and you always do the opposite. So remember, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we have to undo multiplication by doing division, So 117 divided by 13 is 9. I cheated a little bit with the calculator. I'm totally tired. And so that's the variable. The biggest thing, though, is that, see this example, it says find x. Sometimes it says find what angle HGE. So what we do is we plug it in. So we do 3 times 9 plus 11. So that would be 27 plus 11. So that would be 38. Okay, so that would be actually where you had to plug it back in. We call it substitution. But in a nutshell, that is angle addition. We will see you guys next time.